Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. I'm not quite sure how to say this, so y'all bear with me. But after much thought and consideration, I knew that I had to post this video. This is a little bit different for me, so you guys just bear with me the best that you can. First, let me start off by saying that I am forever grateful for each and every single one of you who tune into my channel every week, every day. This channel has grown so much, and I really look at you guys like, you're my best buds. You're my best friends. You're my extended family. If I'm sharing a deal with my best friend or my cousin down the street, I'm going to share that same exact deal with you all. And not only that, but a lot of you guys have been with me since day one or really close to it. And we've been through it all. We have seen good times, bad times, crazy times, and a little bit of everything in between. And we've talked personally behind the scenes. Many of you have reached out to me personally through email or on Instagram. We've shared pictures, and I've even met a few of you all in person as well. So like I said, whenever I upload videos to this channel, it's not just uploading a video to anybody. You guys are my friends and extended family, and we have honestly been through so much. Family tragedies, weather disasters, and heck, we even went through the Rona together. So we truly have been through a lot of ups and downs. Now, I have been sitting and reflecting on just the multitude of emails, messages, and comments that I get every single day from you all. And let me just say that there have been many days and nights since I started this channel where I'm exhausted. I don't know how I'm going to get through one more video, one more deal, one more coupon matchup, one more visual. It's just exhausting sometimes. But then I'll remember, I need to check my emails. I need to check the comment section. I need to check my messages over on Instagram. And I'll open something up, and lo and behold, there you all will be. There's my crazy friends and family ready to lift me up. Now, you guys send me in personal stories. You send me in jokes, memes, funny videos. I mean, I've seen a little bit of everything. You guys send in pictures of your hauls, coupon matchups, other deals to help me out. And, not only that, but I truly feel like you all are just amazing, wonderful, kind-hearted people. And it really is the personal stories and those personal touches that you have shared with me. I mean, those really stick with me. For instance, I know that I have about 3 or 4 little teeny tiny babies who, well, I would say watch the videos, but they watch and they listen. They may not understand what's really going on, but they will sit down and watch right along with mom or dad or their siblings. And I've even been told a few pets will sit down and watch the channel. So it's the little things like that when I've had a hard day, a hard week, when I'm exhausted, when I have worked well over 40 hours a week. It's the little things like that that mean the world. So really, it's your stories, your encouragement, your support, and a little bit of hard work on my part. That is what has built this channel into what it is today. Now, unfortunately, as most of you all know, this channel and the content creation that goes along with this channel consists of me. Only myself. And it can be quite overwhelming. And I really do try and work really hard to bring my amazing friends and family the best deals, the best coupon matchups, the best glitches, and the best information. And I just wanted you all to know that I sincerely appreciate each and every single one of you and all of the love and support that you have given me while this channel has continued to grow. Now, I'm sure that by now, most of you all have noticed the title of this video. And, well, unfortunately, it's true that all good things must come I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not going anywhere. What are you even thinking? Just kidding. Just kidding. Don't click off of the video because I do have some very important information to share with you all. It is coming to an end, but only for a short period of time. I am going to be sort of taking a little break. Like I said before, your girl's been working a lot of overtime, been working late nights. I've been putting well in over 40 hours a week on these videos and growing my channel. And I do truly thank each and every one of you all for your support. It has been absolutely amazing, but your girl needs a couple of days of rest. So I'm going to take it easy for the next few days. I really just need to take a few days and get caught up on all of the emails and comments and messages. And I just want to sit back and not be in a rush. And I want to take all of that wonderful stuff that you guys send me. I just want to take it all in. I want to read through all of the personal stories. I want to get caught up. I want to respond to everybody. Check out your hauls. All of those amazing pictures. I want to post those on the community tab. And I also want to just, take a couple days, spend some quality time with the family, and I may have a few minutes to sit down and relax in between. So, yeah, the channel's going to look a little bit different for the next few days. I haven't decided for sure when I'll be back into full 100% crazy couponing mode, but I promise you guys it won't be long. I just wanted to give you all the heads up that the channel will look a little bit different. I will still post the necessities. So the clearance and penny list, that's already up for this week. I'm going to be working on visual videos, so you may see some of those. And I do have at least 2 videos that I have been working on. I've been meaning to post them over the last month. However, between all of the sales, the clearance events, the penny list, the surprise pennies, it just it hasn't worked out to where I can post those. So I think this week will be perfect to post those for you all. And I think that you guys will enjoy them. So yes, while all good things must come to an end, that doesn't mean that they have to end forever. So your girl will be back here in a few days, back to 100% ready to rock and roll and do some crazy couponing. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, before you click off of this video, we have one more thing that we need to talk about. Our crazy couponing family, we are already at 52,000 crazy couponers. Now, I promised you all when we hit 50,000 crazy couponers that we would do a giveaway. So that is what we're going to do right now. And when I come back, which I promise you guys, it won't be too long. When I come back, I will announce the winners. We're going to be giving away some gift cards. So all you have to do to enter to win is to make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. Make sure that your notifications are turned on and set them to all. Hit the thumbs up button underneath this video. Leave me a comment underneath this video, and you can comment anything you like. You can let me know what kind of gift card you would prefer to win. As long as you are kind in the comment section, we are all good. So leave a comment and then please share this video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, that will still count. So do all of the things and you'll be entered to win. If you want to leave multiple comments, that will equal multiple entries to win a gift card, okay? And then once I come back, I'll announce the winners and we will get right back into full crazy couponing mode. We'll be finding deal after deal after deal and saving all kinds of money. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Be on the lookout. I'll still be posting a couple of videos here and there. And of course, if we do have any run glitches, you know your girl can't stay away for those. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for all of your love and support. And thank you all so very much for helping me grow an amazing couponing community. And that's going to be it for me for now. I'll be back in a few days. And until then, I hope you all have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. And I will see you on the next one.